some things I'm looking for on a water heater are any signs of corrosion. So on top here, or down the sides below, some of these plug-ins on the tank here, below the gas valve and below the burner. I'm looking for any signs of corrosion. All right, that would signify that a leak, has maybe started. Each gas water heater should have an expansion tank. So on the expansion tank, you can hear it. It's got water on one side and then air on one side. So you can hear the difference. If this side sounds solid like that, that means this is compromised and that needs to be changed. And then also, I can check the water heater age. Typical water heater setups will only last 10 or 15 years. And then, last but not least, I'm going to make sure there's no water in the area or in the pan. And sure enough, this is exactly why we do plumbing inspections. This water heater is for sure leaking because there's water in the pan here, and I've already checked. The water's not coming from anywhere else. I've checked all the piping. I've checked all these connections. So there's only one place it can be coming from, which is, inside from the tank.